Hello everyone, it's Terry here from Cloudy Coral Designs. Today I am sharing this card that I created using the Good Luck Lantern stamp set. Let's get started. To start off this card, I am using red cardstock and I am applying an anti-static powder bag on top of that. What I am planning on doing is heat embossing. So what the anti-static powder bag does is it prevents any kind of powder from sticking to areas that you don't want it to. So here I went in and I applied Versamark ink over my stamped and pressed that onto the red cardstock using my Misty. Then going in with my gold embossing powder, I went in and applied that all over the card front, tapping off any excess powder. And when it's time to heat set the card panel, you want to make sure that your heat gun is nice and hot. This helps with melting the embossing powder as well as preventing any warpness on the card front. Okay, so I wanted to add a little more dimension onto the card front. So going in with ground espresso and my blending brush and blend that all around the edges of my card front. I then went in with gold and white iridescent paint and splattered that all over the card front. Before assembling the card together, I used my rectangle die and cut down the card panel. I also went ahead and cut down a black matting rectangle to go underneath the card panel. I used liquid adhesive and adhered that together. And I also adhered that onto a top folding card base. Now it's time to add the sentiment. I am using a reverse black strip sentiment that I have in my stash and adhere that onto the card panel with foam strips. I then went in with some gold baubles and apply that all over the card front. And there you have it, the card is now complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.